Enjoy funny toy!
Hello everyone! In today's video we will be unboxing surprise eggs with Christmas characters. The eggs are inside a lottery machine. We need to spin the wheel to make them come out. Let's open the window and start the fun. Okay, we have the first egg. What is inside? Wow! It's a snowman with antlers! How funny! Oh, you can put it on pencils or markers. How cool! What will be next? Let's see. The yellow one is a Santa Little Helper Elf. How cute! Ooh, it's one more blue egg. Let's open it. Ta-da! It's a reindeer! How festive! Bye-bye, little reindeer. Let's twist. Oh, another blue one. Oh no, it's damaged. But no worries, you can still have fun with that. Wow, it's a Christmas tree. So beautiful. Let's check what is inside the yellow egg. It's a snowman! Aww, it has a blue hat and scarf. So cute! And the last one is a pink egg. Let's open it. No way! The last one is a Santa. I thought we wouldn't get him, but that's awesome! Okay, we open all the eggs now. We can put them on the markers and start painting. Thanks for watching. You will find the link to the mystery box in the description. Bye!